Okay, here's the homework. Cross these out. There's 4 of them, right? For each table represent a linear relation. That means a straight line, linear. Which table represents slope of 2? So which one finds the slope of 2? So your equation is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2. That's for the slope. M represents slope. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. So you can choose any numbers. It should be the same. Most of you probably choose 0 and 32. I'll choose these two. Y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 1 right there. So 14 minus 22, which is negative 8, right, over 9 minus 5, which is 4, that's a negative 2. Is it positive? That's a positive 2, so table 1 isn't it. Let's see. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that's slope formula, over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 is 5 minus 3, which is 2. 2 minus 1, which is 1. So the slope is 2 here. So this one will do. Same thing here, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, that's your first one, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So 14 minus 8 is 6, or 0 minus 3. 3 minus 0, which is 3. So the slope is 2. So table 3 and table 2, table 2 and 3 represent lines with slope of 2. Table 1 has a negative 2 slope. Okay. This one I just wanted to find the rate of change on these. So calculate the rate of change, which is the same thing as slope, okay? And it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 for all of these. Okay, so, all right. You do this one, I'll do this one, because some of you may make negative mistakes here. Remember, slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I'm going to use these two. It'll be the same as the other one. All right, I'll use the first two, since most of you probably will do that. 10 minus 50, it's x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, which is negative 40. 2 minus negative 10, add. That's 12. Divide by 4. Get 10 over 3. Is your slope here for B. Let's see what it says. Negative 5. It's negative 40. Oh, that's a negative 2. Negative 2 over 8. Oh, that's 8. Yeah, it is negative 5. The slope here is negative 5. It's 40. It's negative 40 over 8. This one is negative 40. The bottom one is over 8, which is 5. Got the negative myself. Okay. I'm going to do these. They're both 10th power. Same answer, right? X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1, which is 67.5 minus 13.5, which is 0.454. 54. Yep. 54 here over 10 minus 2, which is 8. Which is reduced by 2, which is 27 over 4. Yep. E is 27 over 4. Rate of change, okay. They're taking it to the decimal. Divide, you get 6, yeah? 6 points, yep. Same answer as what they got there. Okay. I'm recording this too late and I'm too tired. Determine the slope of a line. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So the slope is 1 over 2. It's turning at the y-intercept. This is y-intercept of -5, and it's going down. This is down, okay? So going down 1 over 3. Down 1 over 3 works each time. Okay. The slope here is 2. Here's G is harder. Multiply diagonally 5x equals multiply diagonally 6y. We want y divided by 6. Y is equal 5 over 6x. You need to know how to do this eventually. So make sure you know how to do that. So the slope is 5 over 6. Consider the graph shown. Segment JK rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise is forward, so it's going this way. Okay, 0, 0 is going to stay at 0, 0. This one is 4, 2, right? 90 degrees y becomes y and x, right? This is x, y. And so instead of 4, 2, it's 2, 4. Right here, 90 degrees. But x will become its, x will stay, y becomes its opposite. So it'll be, no, x will become its opposite. It's 2, -4. Oh, label it J prime, K prime. What are the coordinates of K prime? Okay. J prime, K prime. K prime is, oh, I already have it here. reflect across x negative 1, resulting in k prime and j prime. Okay. X negative 1. X negative 1 is right here. Reflect over that. So j prime would be here. And k is 5 away, so 5 away. K prime over here. There you go. Hopefully you remember that.